The encounter in Doda is on, and Republic has accessed some exclusive information about the arms and ammunitions being used by these terrorists, the Pakistani terrorists, who are, by the way, hiding. And the encounter is on. Let's tell you what exactly this is about. We will tell you that this is the Jaish terrorists. They have utilized 7.62 mm steel core bullets, known for their ability to pierce steel to attack the Indian Army Jawans. That is right. And we can also tell you that this is the ammunition used by the Pakistani terrorists in the recent Kathua terror attack. Now, the attackers have used a US-made M4 rifle and an AK rifle with 5.56 mm bullets from the M4 rifle and 7.62 mm bullets from the AK rifle recovered from the scene. The attack, which took place on July 8th in Kathua, resulted in the tragic loss of 5 Indian soldiers who were martyred, with 5 others sustaining injuries. Well, I just want to go across to my colleague who's joining us right now, Gursimran and Arawat. Both of our colleagues are on the ground. Gursimran, I want to come across to you right now. First, we see the Kathua attack, very cowardly attack by terrorists, where we lost 5 of our soldiers. They were martyred. Now we see some information coming in about what is happening in Doda. One more encounter underway. What is happening? Take us through the latest.
Yeah, Shivangi, first taking you through the recoveries that have been made. That is the arms and ammunition that the rounds have been recovered by the investigating agency. The Pakistani terrorists have used 7.62 mm steel core bullets that are used for the AK rifle to pierce the bulletproof jackets of the Indian Army. That was the plan of the Pakistani terrorists, and they were using the steel piercing bullets of the AK series. And the other weapon that they have used is the US-made M4 carbine assault rifle. The 5.56 mm rounds have also been recovered. Republic has got access to the various photographs of the grenade that was hurled at the Indian Army's vehicle, as well as the 7.62 mm and the 5.56 mm the rounds that have been used. And this is really concerning because Pakistan is now pushing the US-made weapons into the Indian territory, and also the steel piercing bullets that can pierce through these bulletproof jackets. That is what the plan of the Pakistanis, that they want to inflict maximum casualties to the security forces, and that is what has happened in the Kathua district. Now coming to the ongoing operations in the Kathua, right now we in the Doda district. Right now we are in the upper reaches of the Doda district, and where the operation is underway. Without divulging any operational details, we are showing you that around the clock alert and vigil is being kept by the special operations group of the Jammu and Kashmir police as they chase down the terrorists, the 3 Pakistani terrorists that were in the area when the contact was established yesterday at around 5:15, and in the initial exchange of fire 2 terrorists got injured. Since then the terrorists are trying to take the advantage of the dense forested area. If Sarjeevan can show you this side, you will have a slight idea of this very area, and if Sarjeevan can show you a 360-degree view, then you will see that even during the peak summers, the temperature here remains to be somewhere 10 degrees, and the terrorists, they are taking the advantage of the dhokes that are built in these areas to hide themselves, and this is really challenging for the security forces. But the Doda police that has brought down earlier a group of Jaish-e-Mohammed on 26th of June when 3 Pakistani terrorists were neutralized, including one of the Jaish commanders from whom M4 carbine was recovered, and other two were carrying the huge cache of arms and ammunition, including the AK rifles and the steel piercing bullets. Similarly, this group also seems to be heavily equipped. That has been traced and intercepted yesterday evening, and now the operation is underway. We are told that the senior officials, including the Additional Director General of the Jammu Zone, Anand Jain, along with the Deputy Inspector General, who is already camping in the Doda since yesterday, they will be visiting the encounter spot in a short while from now to assess the situation, and it is very likely that the security forces are expecting that the terrorists will be neutralized very soon, Shivangi.
Right. Well, right, Gursimran, thank you for joining us. I just want to go across to Arawat, who's joining us as well. Arawat, I'm coming across to you now. What Republic has access is the ammunition being used by these Pakistani terrorists who have infiltrated through the borders. They are hiding now. Many of them are hiding in the dense forests. And not just that, in the past few months, we have seen upswing when it comes to terror attacks in the valley. What's the latest that we have gathered, and what's exclusive information on the ammunitions being used by these terrorists?